So for those reasons, I think a significant money bond is appropriate. The court will set bond in the amount of $50,000 cash with all standard conditions of bond, as well as all terms and conditions of probation. And again, we'll proceed further on Monday. Mr. Trush, are you able to hear me okay?
Yes, I am.
Yes. Okay, very good. I'm just having a problem finding the case here in my recording system, so it might just be 1 second. There we go. Okay, we'll go on the record in Crawford County, case number 25-5386. We're on the record today for arraignment of Mr. Hill. First of all, I want to apologize to everybody. I'm in trial here in Kalkaska, and I had some issues that I had to take care of. We're just on the verge of getting the case to a jury after a week-long civil trial. So I appreciate everybody's patience and apologize for not being able to be on the record at 8:45 as it was previously scheduled. If I can have Mr. Trush put your appearance on the record today.
Thank you, Your Honor. Richard Trush, appearing on behalf of Mr. Hill. We're here today for a probation violation arraignment. I've gone over those allegations with him. At this time, we would stand mute to the charges, and he has been screened and approved for counsel on a similar set of violations earlier in the week. I was appointed on those. To the extent another appointment is necessary, I'll be the attorney representing him on these as well. I was hopeful that we were going to have a resolution for the court today. It looks like we're scheduled to be in front of Your Honor on Monday. We're not going to need any witnesses for that. We expect we're going to have a resolution then where he'll be admitting one set of violations, the other will be dismissed. I spoke to him about that this morning. At the time, again, we were under the impression we'd be in front of you at 8:45. We didn't have enough time to go over everything, and it was just kind of after that, it wasn't clear exactly what was going to happen. So I expect that we'll be able to resolve that when we're in front of Your Honor Monday morning.
Okay. Mr. Hill, were you able to hear everything that Mr. Trush stated?
Yes, sir.
And was he able to advise you of your rights regarding the probation violation?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So the court will enter a not guilty plea on behalf of Mr. Hill. As Mr. Trush indicated, we'll set this for a hearing on Monday. In terms of bond pending that hearing, Mr. McFalda, do you have any input on that?
Well, I know the bond was set, I believe, at $30,000 for the first set of allegations. Judge, I would just ask that the bond on this file just be increased based on these allegations, which are, basically the same as his first allegations.
Thank you. Mr. Trush?
Your Honor, I think the bond amount at this point is somewhat academic. From discussing with Mr. Hill, I don't think he has any ability to post it. Whether it stays the same or is increased, I think we're going to be in the same position Monday as we are right now.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Given the nature of the alleged violations, which includes consuming alcohol as well as having contact with a protected person, I'm well aware of Mr. Hill's matters. He's been in front of me a number of times. Alcohol's certainly been part of the issue, as has contact with the victim in the underlying case. And so the fact that that's continuing gives the court concerns for public safety as well as the safety of the protected individual. So for those reasons, I think a significant money bond is appropriate. The court will set bond in the amount of $50,000 cash with all standard conditions of bond as well as all terms and conditions of probation. And again, we'll proceed further on Monday. Mr. McFeld, on behalf of the probation department, is there anything else we need to address for the record today?
No, Judge.
Mr. Trush?
Nothing further. Thank you.
Mr. Hill, do you have any questions about how we're going to proceed with your case?
No, just wondering if I was going to be able to meet in person with Mr. Trush before Monday.
Yes.
Okay.
All right, thank you. Then that concludes our hearing for today.